What if you could earn extra income doing something you love and have an AI assistant who does all of the boring stuff for you? In this video, I'm going to show women over the age of 50 how to start and grow a side hustle without being tech savvy. So here we go. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Carrie Stone and this is Carry On, where we talk all things money, movement, and mindset. And today we're talking money because I am going to show you in this episode how you can use AI to create and build a side income. In my last video, I talked about all the dangers of AI. But in this video, we are flipping the script and we're going to talk about how you can partner with AI to create new income streams. Side hustles aren't just for the 20-somethings anymore. In fact, 39% of Americans have a side hustle. This includes 24% of baby boomers and 40% of Gen Xers. The average side hustler makes an extra $900 a month. But those who use the benefits of AI along with their side hustle make an extra $480 per month over those that don't. This isn't a fad, it's a movement, and you can be a part of it. We can't go into the details about how to use AI to build your side hustle without first looking at how you can use AI to create your side hustle. When I first started coaching my client, Diana, she had been out of work for several years due to an injury. She hired me as a coach to help her to prepare herself to get back to work, to decide what it was she actually wanted when she went back to work. So how often she wanted to work, where, how far she wanted to drive, just the small details of what it meant to go back to work after being out for such a long time. Well, one day I introduced her to AI and I gave her a few assignments to do before our next meeting. I had no idea what to expect on our next meeting, but it was not what I got. When I got on the call with her, she was so excited and she was just beaming. And she said, "Carrie, I can't believe you showed me AI and I can't believe I had not been using it. This is what I did." Well, in the 2-week period that we had not talked, she had investigated different business ideas. She had chosen the business she wanted to build. She had created a business name, a business plan, and she was seeing a future for herself in something that was completely unrelated to the job that she had been planning to go back to. And then that got her so excited that she actually started planning her own business in the field that she was going to go back to. So here she was, 2 weeks on AI, she had 2 business plans. This is how AI can change your life. Recently, Diana responded to one of my AI videos and she said this. She said, "Thank you. I just want you to know that since you have encouraged me to get on board with AI, it has absolutely changed my life, and I would not have ventured into AI without you or your advice. I cannot believe how much it has simplified things for me. AI has given me incredible suggestions and made my life so much simpler in so many ways, from meal prep to workouts to business suggestions, etc. It's incredible and very user-friendly. Thank you for encouraging us to get on board with this." Well, Diana, thank you for being such an amazing client. I am so proud to be able to walk this road with you. And I can't wait to see where these businesses that you created through AI will take you. So if you don't know what your side hustle is yet, take it from Diana and flesh out your ideas with AI and watch your dreams take flight. Now let's just talk about a few ways that you can use AI in your side hustle. Starting with number 1, you can use AI for freelance writing, blogging, and even writing an ebook. Use AI to brainstorm topics, write outlines. If you've struggled like I have with outlines, you will love this aspect of AI. It is so wonderful to be able to easily get an outline now, which is something I struggled with a lot in my past. And it will even edit your text. So maybe you can finally publish that book you've always wanted to write, or maybe you want to start a blog. AI will help you do either one. When it comes to writing, I recommend Claude AI over the other platforms. I just feel like it has more of a human touch to the writing that I find more beautiful and free-flowing. Using AI to write, whether it's your life story or lessons you've learned, is a great way to leave your legacy. You can share your life experience, help others through those same problems, and even make a profit while you're doing it. The second way you can use AI is as a virtual assistant. AI can handle scheduling, email drafts, and social media, giving you more time to serve your clients with less stress. And here are the top AI personal assistants. If you're using this for work, Motion comes in first place. Reclaim is wonderful for managers and business owners. Clockwise is great to use at work. Google Assistant will help you at home or work. And then there's the two that have been around for a while and we seem to have forgotten about, and that's Alexa and Siri. Next, you can use AI for digital products. If you're like me and you dream up these ideas of things that you could print out and give to people, then you have so many ideas just waiting to be fleshed out through AI. I never had a way before to create what was in my head out on paper, and now I can with the help of AI. AI will help you design and write copy for printables, journals, and digital planners. These are all things that people pay money for on Etsy, or they'll buy from your website. I have used AI to create downloadable PDFs to help my viewers to learn things outside of my videos. I've used AI to help me create slides for training presentations, and I'm currently using it to help me to create and design a new planner. If you've ever dreamed up an idea for something that's printable, but you had no idea how to make it happen, AI is here to help you. The fourth way to use AI when it comes to building your side hustle is with coaching and consulting. You can package your wisdom and use AI to script workshops, write marketing emails, and create social posts, leaving you time to focus on your clients. I'm currently using AI to help me to create a landing page for my coaching program where I can share my experience and my packages with people just like you. And I'm linking it all to a calendar that is run by AI. And this is just the beginning because AI is changing so fast and it is being integrated into every area of our lives. But remember, the most important side hustles are the ones where human touch matters, like mentoring, personal services, or niche experiences. AI can support you, but your experience is the secret sauce. Your humanness is what will set you apart from everybody else. AI can't do that for you. Which of these ideas excites you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if you have any questions about AI, let me know there too, because I would love to build future videos around those questions to help you out. And if you're finding this video helpful, would you hit that like button and share it with a friend that you think could benefit from the information that I'm sharing today? And don't forget to subscribe because you will not want to miss the next video in this AI series. So let me give you some tips and a little bit of encouragement. Start small. As in anything, just start small. Pick one idea that you're curious about and let AI help you brainstorm it, plan it, and test it. Remember to add your voice and your values to whatever you create, because that's what makes it unique. And always be cautious. Don't forget the dangers video. You want to remember to double check everything and make sure that whatever you're sharing is accurate. AI can't replace your wisdom, but it can multiply it. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to pull all of this AI information together for your own life and help you create a personalized AI roadmap for your success. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel and hit that notification bell because you don't want to miss it when that video comes out. Don't waste a moment not getting on the AI bandwagon. Try it out today and let me know how it goes for you. And until next time, carry on.